Today's video from Sam for Help. We're taking a look at periodic, weekly, monthly or quarterly X2, Z2 reporting on the NR510R register. So on the machine, if you've seen my previous videos, I've demonstrated how to do a daily X1 report and then a daily Z1 report for helping caching up the till on a day-to-day basis. What you can also do on the machine is periodic reporting. So in both the X mode and the Z mode, you have a file called 2, so X2 and Z2. What happens is every time you run your Z1 daily report, the information in that file is wiped down unless you've got the grand total on, but all the other information is zeroed, but it's pushed over into a second file called the X2 or Z2 file. If you never run an X2 or Z2 report, this information will just build up. So every day's trading, you finish with a Z1, the Z1 file is wiped down and the data is pushed over into the second file, which keeps consolidating. What you can do with the register is use that information to generate periodic reports, but the tricky thing is the till won't do it for you, in the sense that you can't ask the till for a report for week 35 of the year, or for the last quarter, or for March. But if you develop routines, you can basically have monthly reporting, which is what I'm going to demonstrate how to do. You can actually do it in both the X and the Z mode, obviously remembering that the difference between X and Z is that X doesn't reset. So if you ran a daily Z1 report every day, and then at the end of the week wanted to look at your totals for the week, you could run an X2 periodic report, but obviously that report wouldn't reset. So if we take a look at what's available, if we go into X first of all and have a look at the X reports, we're basically, in this video we're just going to look at financial, but basically the same rules apply for most of the other settings, but I'll cover the other reports such as group and PLU in separate videos. If you go into your financial, instead of doing the X1, you can do a period X2. So it gives you, it's the same format of information. If you're familiar with the financial report, there'll be nothing on there that surprises you. It's dated and timed, it just says X2 at the top, but all this information is a consolidation of all the sales you've done since the last time the Z2 was run. So what you can do, if we come out of there, that hasn't reset, so that data would now, if I carried out more transactions and then ran another daily Z1 report, that folder would keep building up. If we go into the the Z mode and go into Z reports and then again into financial again we've got the option for period Z2. So we simply choose it, press cash tend, and the report prints out the front of the machine. And again, it's exactly the same information, but this time the data's reset. So if we ran the report again, press cash tend, the only information left on there is the grand total. So that's a way of using the periodic reporting to generate maybe a monthly report. So the sequence would be to do a Z1 daily at the end of every trading day's transaction, let that file reset every single day, and then allow the periodic Z2 folder to build up, and then maybe on the last day of every month run your Z2 report after your Z1 report, and then you'll have a monthly total. You don't have to use it on a monthly basis, you can use it on a weekly basis or also a quarterly basis, providing that you remember to do it at the same time and the correct time of each period. Okay, I hope that video's been helpful. Got plenty more videos explaining the different reports you can run on the NR510R register. Some of those will be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit samforhelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.